Welcome! If you're looking to control who manages topics in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to prevent even the group owner from managing topics, ensuring your group stays organized and secure. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the group where you are the owner. This method only works if you have ownership privileges, so make sure you're managing the right group. Next, click on the name of your group at the top of the chat window. This will open up the group's main profile and settings panel. Here, look for the edit icon. It usually appears as a pencil or a small gear. Click on it to access the editing options for your group. Inside the editing menu, find and select the Administrators section. This is where you manage the permissions for everyone in your group, including yourself as the owner. Scroll through the list of administrators until you see your own profile labeled as Owner. Click on your owner profile to open the permissions settings. Now, you'll see a list of all the permissions available for the group owner. Find the option labeled Manage Topics. This permission allows someone to create, edit, or delete discussion topics within your group. To prevent yourself or any future owner from managing topics, simply toggle off or disable the Manage Topics permission. Once you've turned off this setting, make sure to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. You've now successfully restricted topic management for the group owner. This means no one, not even you as the owner, can create or modify topics unless you re-enable the permission. By following these steps, you can better control how conversations are organized in your Telegram group, keeping discussions focused and avoiding unwanted changes to your group's topics. If you ever need to adjust these settings again, just repeat the process. Thanks for watching. For more tips on managing your Telegram groups, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other tutorials.